So I'm just recording it. So as I said, we have a sell signal on the yen, and we have a possible short covering buy on the euro, and that means that the euro yen might be a candidate to go long. If you do not have any other short positions in the yen, in the euro, if you're short the euro in any other position, just be careful before you go long the euro in any other pair. So with this, as you can see, that even though the euro has been declining uh, all of last week, just Friday we had a positive day in the euro. That was the only positive day, which is Friday. But versus the yen, this has been in a good move to the upside for the last 3 days. Which means what? It doesn't mean that the euro is strong. All what it means is that they're selling the yen. And if that's the case, if they're selling the yen, we might as well join them. We can sell the yen and buy the euro, or we can find, and we have the dollar yen as a buy, and now we also have a possible buy signal in the euro yen, and our structure long is the 124.37. We closed the week at 124.20. Let's look at the weekly chart just to make sure. It is a buy signal. If you look at the weekly here, our buy from last week was the 122.65. We closed, I mean, that's 135 pips to the upside. It's not a bad trade for the week. So if it gets now, the next buy signal is right there, and this is the 124.37, and we closed at 124.20, so we're only about 25 pips away from our buying point, which makes it brilliant. Okay, and our sell point is also easy. We will find that. So we want to be looking to be buying the euro yen, and look at that move here. Look at this chart. With all the capitulation that was coming into the euro, look at this move. This is Thursday. This is Friday. This means that they are selling the yen. So we might as well join them. And right here at this close, that right there is a buy signal. There is no reason for us to even look at shorting that baby unless it trades below 123.60. Okay, so we are looking to be buying the euro yen above 124.37, our stop, and we are only going to go short below 123.58. Okay, our structure long is, I want to find a look, is this above the 125. Let's see the stops. Chart frozen. Oops. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm trying to find out my structure point. My structure long to the upside is the 125.22. Our buy is above the 124.37. That's our buy of here. This is our buy. This is our structure. Okay, above the 125.22. And our sell, we're going to take the selling point from the intraday, but our bias is to be buying of the euro yen, because again we're getting the short covering in the euro and the selling or the liquidation in the yen. So So our buying, we're going to be buying above 124.37. Our structure long is the 125.22. And let's see our buying point. So if we buy it over here above the 124.37, we need to place our stop. It's a little bit of a big stop, but you can have two places to place the stop. Either here, that's long stop number one at 123.80, but the better stop is the 123.58. Either of them are okay depending on your tolerance, but to be honest with you, if it gets above 124.37, this thing should fly. We had a very positive close above the previous daily. Everything is so positive about this. If it takes out the 37, this thing should be flying. Okay, so this is my short point, and the one, and my long stop is going to be 123.85, and if we go short below 123.58, we're going to put our stop $123.85, which is going to be the same. We're going to use the same value, the 138.23.85, as our long and long stop and short stop at the same time, because it's such a structure point over here. And this is, I'm going to show you that on the chart. This is, that price point is what we're going to use as a if we buy, we're going to place our stop below the 123.85. If we're going to go short, then we're going to place our stop right above it here, because again, it is a structure point and it's important to maintain that as our reference. We don't want to be short and the prices come above a structure point and we're still short. Okay, all right, that's the let me put the radar screen for you, and then I'm going to stop the recording. Okay.